And we have a 1:11 risk reward ratio right here on Nasdaq. A beautiful setup right here. Let me show you what is happening right now. So what we have here is a nice rally base drop with a break of structure to the downside, and then guess what, we have perfect equal highs right here which have been left. The Asian high has already been taken out, therefore only remaining with these highs to be taken out right here. And then apart from that, we have a nice fair value gap which was left behind, and also an order block right there. So what we're waiting for right now is just for the market to take out these highs right here, come into our area right here before we can actually look for sales to the downside right here. So we want the market to come into this area before we can actually see the market going all the way down right there. This looks really amazing. Now let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What is the market doing on the higher time frame? So you can see that overall Nasdaq has been dropping for some time now. You can see that it's been going down for a long time. Then we go to the 2-hour time frame. We are continuously seeing that downtrend right there. Let's go to a 45 minutes time frame. Let's see what is happening there. We can clearly see the same pattern right there. Therefore, this becomes a very significant point that we should actually pay attention to. So right here we have this nice rally base drop which is very visible even on the higher time frame. So that's a very critical point to look after, right? So why now we just continue to wait and see how the market responds to this area right here. Personally, I'm waiting for the market to come into my zone, and once that has happened, I'll be able to actually execute and send this signal in our premium signals community. It's a 1:11 risk reward ratio, 55 pips stop loss, and 629 pips target right here. A 1:11 risk reward ratio. So I'm waiting for the market to come into this area, and then once that happens, I'll be able to actually sell. Today is the 31st of March 2026. So let's see how this trade actually plays out, if we're going to come into our area right here, or we are going to actually just continue to drop. And then for my order block, you can see that I've clearly just chosen this the last few candles right here on the 30 minutes time frame. There was another zone actually on the lower time frame. Let me just show you. If you can go like to the 50 minutes time frame, you'll be able to actually find another yeah, if I wanted, I would have gone to that level right there. I did that, but I realized that the market might end up leaving me behind. So getting this is actually better, and also has a higher probability of actually being tapped. Instead of me trying to over refine it, I might just have to wait for price to actually come into that area right there. Otherwise, this looks amazing. It's an A+ textbook setup for me. All I have to do is just wait and see how this market actually responds to this particular level right there. All right, you guys, let me know what you think about this particular trade, and if you're planning on actually taking it. All right, you guys, until next time, goodbye.